In this video, I'm going to talk about Landingi's WordPress plugin and how to connect it to the Landingi platform. So first you have to go to your accounts, your Landingi accounts. You have to go to API tokens. Then you're going to go ahead and add a token. And we're just going to call this one, I love Landingi. Right, so you're just going to want to copy the token. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click over to your WordPress account. Right, going to have to go ahead and add the Landingi plugin if you haven't done so already. I believe it's called, let's just try this. There we go. Go ahead and install it and activate it as soon as you install it. There we go. Go ahead and activate. Great. Now we're going to go ahead. You're going to see it over here on the sidebar right here. Go to Settings. Right, there we go. Now we're just going to go ahead and paste that token that we copied over before. Save. Token is added. Now at this point, we can go to available landings. And perfect. So this is a landing page that I created just before. It was just a sample landing page. As you can see, it's connected to my Landingi account already. And if we want to import this landing page, we just have to simply click import. And once we do that, it should be published. There we go. And yeah, that's all there is to it.